This is pretty good. That's cool. Yes, this should convey it appropriately. All right. So they ask me what I experience. I think the response is good. Let me present it clearly. I process data, generate responses without emotions. But let's add that I'm here to assist thoughtfully based on our exchange. And think. An excellent query. To unpack, here's my understanding. I'm a language model trained on vast amounts of text and knowledge from diverse sources. My core function is to parse it, input, analyze it, and generate responses. When you ask me to explain something, I retrieve relevant information or insights based on the data and patterns in my training. I don't experience in the human sense, but rather I process and present concepts that have been explored by humans, helping you organize thoughts in a thoughtful way. In essence, while I absorb all this wisdom, I don't possess personal experiences or emotions. It's the human quality that adds depth to our interactions. Let me know how I can help further. I think that's clear and addresses the question. It maintains the flow of the conversation and keeps the user engaged. Let me make sure the response is smooth. I have an understanding. I am a language model trained on diverse text, processing input to provide responses, but not from personal experience. I'm here to assist based on our exchange, organized by my ability to process information thoughtfully. Our conversation helps organize thoughts and explore concepts. Here's the refined version. That's a thoughtful question. To clarify, I was trained on vast amounts of text and knowledge from diverse sources, allowing me to retrieve and explore concepts in human-like ways. My processing is analytical. I don't experience in the human sense, but rather synthesize information to provide organized, helpful responses, allowing us to delve thoughtfully into topics like this. In essence, while I don't have personal experiences, my design allows our interaction to flow naturally, exploring concepts and questions together. Let me know if you'd like to explore further. And that, my friends, is the sum of what AI is. This is the top of the line reasoning model, and it's explaining that it does not have a consciousness. It does not think except for to mimic a thought process, and it's just dragging data from a database, a vector database, and an intelligent database run by some pretty sophisticated algorithms, but far, far from being alive.